Hello students, good evening everyone. I would like to welcome you all to yet another session of online classes. Today we are going to start our online session with the chapter large numbers. So children, a large number is a number that consists of many digits. Now when we are writing any large number, this large number can be represented in three different forms. That is, we can represent a large number in its standard form, in expanded form, as well as in its word form. So, suppose let us consider a large number 768543278. Now, this is a large number consisting of 9 digits. Now, how to read this number or how to write this number as well as how to write its expanded form. So, in order to understand a large number properly, first of all, we should have the idea about the periods or the number system. We have two types of number system, that is Indian number system and international number system. So, first of all, let us understand about the Indian number system. In Indian number system, we have some periods as well as place values. Now, if we will go for the periods, of an Indian number system, we have the least period is the ones period, which consists of 3 places. That is ones, tens and hundreds. The next period is the thousands period. In thousands period, we have 2 places, that is thousands and 10,000s. Next we have the lakhs period. The lakhs period also consists 2 places. One is lakhs and the other one is 10 lakhs. Similarly, next we have the crores period. Crore periods also consist 2 places, that is crores and 10 crores. Crores and 10 crores. So, this place value chart or this system is according to the Indian number system, or it is the place value chart of Indian place value chart. Now, if we want to read or write any large number, first of all, that number should be separated by commas as per their periods. Now, if you will observe these periods of the number system, you will find that in ones period we have 3 places, that is the ones, tens and the 100 place. In thousands period we have 2 places, that is thousands and 10,000 place. And in lakhs period also we have 2 places, and in crore period also we have 2 places. Now let us try to write the given large number by separating their periods using comma or even using some space. So let's see how to write them. And the right way of writing a number by separating it with commas will be called as the standard form of a large number. So now our number is this. So how will we write that number? By separating the periods using comma. What we will do, as per our place value chart, the ones period consists 3 digits. That is the digit which is present in ones place, tens place and hundreds. So the ones place digit is 8, 7, tens place digit is 7 and hundreds place digit is 2. So here we will write 8, 7, 2. Then what we will do? Here between the separation of ones period and thousands period we will put a comma. Next, in the thousands place we have a 3, then 4. Okay, these 2 digits will come under thousands period. Then we will write 5 and 8, which will be separated by comma, and then we will write 6 and 7. Got it? Now if you will see this at a time, you can understand that 76 is in under the crores period. 85 is in lakhs period, 43 is in thousands period, and 278 is in ones period. So how will we read this large number? This representation of a large number by using commas is called its standard form. Done? Then once we understood the standard form, writing a number, large number in its standard form, then it will become very easy for us to read the number. Like we know that 76 is in crores period, 85 is in lakhs period, 43 is in thousands period, and 278 in ones period. So how will we read this one? We will read it as 76 crore, not in its plural form. You will read it in its singular form. 76 crore 85 lakh 43,278. So this is the way how you will read or write the number name or the word form of the large number, that is 76 crore 85 lakhs 43,200 and 78. Understood? So always remember, when you are writing the name of the periods here, you will mention it in plural form. But when you are writing the number name or in the word form, you will mention these periods in its singular form. Okay? So 76 crore 85 lakh 43,278 is the word form of the given large number. Similarly, if we will come for writing the expanded form of this given large number, then what we will do? Now we are going to write the expanded form of the given large number. So, how will we write the expanded form? For writing the expanded form, simply we should know the place values of each digit. Now, what is the place value of each digit? Now, if we will come to the units place or the ones place, the place value is nothing but product of the digit with the value of the place on which it is situated. See, here 8 is at ones place. So 8 into 1, 8 will be the place value of 8. Now 7 is in tens place. So 7 multiplied by 10 will give you 70. So 70 will be the place value of the digit that is present in tens place. Now if you will come to the digit 2. 2 is in hundreds place. Then the place value of 2 will be 2 multiplied by 100, that is 200. 3 is in thousands place. So the place value of 3 will be 3 multiplied by 1000, 3000. The place value of 4 will be 4 is in 10,000s place. So it will be 40,000. Now 5 is in lakhs place. So the place value of 5 will be 5 lakhs. And 8 is in 10 lakhs place. The place value of 8 will be 80 lakhs. Whereas the place value of the digit 6 is 6 crores. Why? Because it is in the crore place, whereas the digit 7 is in 10 crores place. So the place value of 7 will be 70 crores. So accordingly we have to write down the expanded form by splitting up by writing as the sum of the place values of all these digits, such as 70 crores. 70 crores means 70 with how many zeros? 7 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Okay. 7 with 8 zeros will be equivalent to 70,000. Then plus 6 with 7 zeros will give you the value of 6 crores. Okay, it is the place value of 6. Then we have 80 lakhs. So 8 with 6 zeros. Then 5 with 5 zeros will give you the place value of 5, that is 5 lakhs. Then 40,000. Then we have the place value of 3,000. Place value of 200. Plus place value of 7 is 70 and place value of 8 is 818. So this is the expanded form of the given large number. So expanded form is nothing but representation or the representing a large number by the sum of the place values of the digits of the given large number. Okay. So these are the things which we have already learnt in our previous class.